one. Here we go. What's this? Glowing skin recipe, tea tree facial scrub.
Yes, this is narration number 2.
So this is what you need to make this. Foaming bath butter, granulated sugar, tea tree oil, mica colorant mixer, and patience.
Now, is this the stuff that I trialled?
You did trial this,
Yeah, this is
along with a
amazing
bunch
stuff.
of other people. It's for oily skin. I can only tell you the benefits of tea tree oil according to healthline.com. So it's an antiseptic, it boosts wound healing, it fights acne, fungus, anti-inflammatory, relieves psoriasis. Visit the website and get your own research done on tea tree oil. Do not take this as a claim for my product. Please and thank you.
Yeah, this is a great product. I've tried it, and I tried it on my face as instructed, even though I don't really go in for that thing, even though I know it's
There's the sugar.
happening more and more.
Now, see, I did this weird, okay? Normally I would mix the base and then add the sugar and color and fragrance, but I was like, why do we do that? Why don't we just stick it all in a bowl and mix it all at the same time?
Because it wouldn't work, would it? You've got to do
No,
a certain
well, it
process.
does. It did work. It does work. But it's difficult, I have to say. I won't be doing it this way again. And I don't have a KitchenAid, so if you're using a hand mixer like I am, be prepared to be standing there for a long time. Because you have to mix this.
It looks very dry,
until-
doesn't it?
It does look dry right now, but you have to mix this until it doubles in volume. It's going to become a
Mountain.
creamy, whipped, sugary, tea tree oiled, light green facial scrub.
Well, anyway, I have to get back to this. I tried it on my face as per instruction, and it felt great. So I said, you know what, I'll have a shower. I'm going to try using it all over my legs and my back and everywhere. And when I had the shower, I felt so clean. My skin was so smooth. So it definitely exfoliates as well as leaves you feeling very refreshed.
Sugar is a
Perfect.
great exfoliant, and the tea tree oil is something I wanted to do for people with problem skin, and I will be doing one for aged skin like mine.
Well, I have a bit of eczema, so it actually helped that. But yeah, and the thing is as well is it's not overpowering the tea tree, so it leaves a nice scent, but your skin feels alive and new.
Yeah, there's just enough tea tree oil in it to be functional and to not smell horrid. Some people like the smell of tea tree. I don't, but it's, very light in this recipe. And I forgot to turn my phone ringer off.
Bing, bing.
Bing. Off it goes.
Oh.
20 minutes later.
Now it's getting fluffier.
It's getting fluffy, but putting the sugar in right away the way I did made it really... I mean, it's difficult either way you do it. Not gonna lie, it's whatever, it's difficult.
I think this way is the best way though, because you can visually get eyes on it. Whereas if you put it in a blender, all of a sudden you think, oh god,
Oh
I've
no, you
overdone
don't
it.
put it... No, I didn't mean blender. Like a KitchenAid is one of those... it's a mixer like this, but it just stands there by itself with the bowl. You turn it on and walk away.
Oh, I know what you mean, yeah.
Yeah. If you have one of those, consider yourself very lucky. But it's still fun to do. And look, I had to dig out the little shovel because the spatula just wasn't cutting it. But we're still not there yet. And I do have gloves on, by the way. They're just clear. It would not work without gloves. So yes, we're going to blend until it doubles in volume. By the time you're seeing this video, it is available at fruitsofaloon.com.
Yeah, it's making me want to have Doritos and tea tree oil dip.
Ew, that's disgusting.
It just looks like a dip, doesn't it? Like a guacamole dip.
Yeah, it does look, yeah.
Avocado dip.
I think they're 70, yes they are, 70 gram jars. So not too big, not too small. I wouldn't use it more than twice a week until you know just how much you need to use this scrub, because you can exfoliate and then you can, if you can over exfoliate and really hurt your skin, so...
Yeah. Incidentally, when I used it, I used about
You don't need much.
an inch by a couple of centimetres. Maybe half the size of a sprout. And that did the face.
Sprout?
Yeah, I did the face in the shower.
What do you mean
I used
half
probably
the size?
2 lots of that. So you probably get about 10 out of the tub.
I'm just showing you the texture here.
Yum,
But
yum, yum,
what
yum,
do you
yum,
mean
yum.
a sprout? Like a Brussels sprout?
Yeah.
So
probably,
half the size of a Brussels?
Yeah, roughly, yeah.
A baby Brussels sprout? Or
Yeah, not a
you
big
need
one.
about this. You need about for your face maybe the size of a dime.
Yeah,
would you say?
It's very hard, but you don't need a lot.
Now let me tell you, this is really hard to pipe. I find unless you put just a little bit in your piping bag, that makes it easier. But if you put too much in your piping bag, like I'm doing here, it makes it really hard, and you'll see that when I'm piping, because you'll see that I'm squeezing in the middle of the piping bag and at the top of the piping bag, and I'm struggling a little bit. It's a really nice product though,
Yeah, it really is.
and it's visually appealing, I have to say. I also have a whipped sugar scrub for body. I think it's Love Spell fragrance. It's already on the website.
I love this product. I mean, all your products are beautiful. This is so perfect. I mean,
I should make you a peppermint one for your feet. That'll
yeah,
be
I
next.
use them all the time. I mean, you just grab a few and throw them in your cart and try them out and give us some comments. I know it's a plug for the sale, but you know, this is Artisan products.
They really are good. That's the main thing.
All made with loving care and an eye on what you need, right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I do love what I do. There's the close-up you did for me. Remember?
I do.
You held the camera for me. Can you tell I'm struggling a bit? It's the sugar. It makes it difficult to pipe.
It's very stiff to pipe, isn't it? So.
Yeah. Also, I'm going to do one without sugar because I think it would make a wonderful body wash, and it would be delightful to pipe that.
Yeah. And I was thinking about these. You know, you could do a cardamom and coriander seed one. The coriander seed would replace the sugar for the.
That's
the
it.
scrub.
Look, it's a little bit of a quick video, but
Ooh.
that's what you'll be getting. 70 grams of
Absolutely
tea tree
marvelous.
sugar whipped facial scrub. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, leave us a comment, hit that notification bell.
And try some, you know.
Yeah, and
Don't
try
take
some.
our word for it.
Thanks for watching.
See you,
X's and
bye.
O's. See you next Saturday.
Bye bye bye.
Over
Cherry
and
pie.
out.